Uh, Welcome to my presentation. My name is Raditya Aryasuta. Today, I will be explaining about the earned value analysis on real life construction. And the focus of the study is a commercial building construction project referred to here with a budget of 1 billion Indonesian rupiah. And this presentation was prepared as a part of engineering economic course for IUP 2025. Over the next several slides, I will guide you through the project cost and schedule performance using a key earned value management metric. This includes spend value, earned value, and actual cost, and derive performance index. So let's begin on our next slide. In this presentation, there will be a project overview, progress summary, earned value metrics, and performance interpretation. And then we have the root cause analysis and suggestion and conclusions. Okay, the project of the office building construction is a medium scale construction with the initiative for an office building and commissioned by PT Wijaya Karya and executed by PT Cipta Kreasi with a total contract value or a budget at completion of 1 billion Indonesian rupiah. The project was scheduled to be completed in 120 days and divided into four monthly phases. This earned value analysis is focused on the second month of the implementation of the project to measure the performance and to assess the performance. And the project is located in Central Java, which add logistical and site-specific challenge that may impact the execution. And then we go to the next slide. And in the progress summary, uh, by the end of the month two, the project was planned to achieve 50% of its work, equivalent to a planned value of Indonesian rupiah of 500 million. However, based on the site observation and physical accomplishment, only 40% of the site was completed, yielding earned value of 400 Indonesian million rupiah. Meanwhile, the actual cost incurred up to this reached one 450 million rupiah. This suggests that nearly half the budget has been spent. The actual physical output is behind schedule. So these discrepancies provide basis for further analysis using earned value metrics to assess cost efficiency and scheduling effectiveness to move forward. And and then we go to the progress earned value metrics. As you can see, the CPI is with the formula of divided by AC is equal to 0.89, when the SPI is 0.8, the EAC is 1.23, 1.123.6 million, and the ETC uh, is around 673.6 million rupiah. And then we go to the earn value table. This table shows the core earn value metrics, both the cost performance index and schedule performance index are below 1, indicating the project is over budget and behind schedule. The estimate at completion is significantly above the original budget, suggesting cost overruns if no corrective actions are taken in the next phase. And then we go to the next slide, which is the performance interpretation. So the CPI is less than 1, so it means that project is over budget. The SPI is also less than 1, so the project is behind the schedule. And the overrun risk of 123.6 million rupiah. And the ETC shows that a significant cost to complete. And then we go to the root cause analysis. One of the first problem is that the delay in material or equipment delivery. This is one of the most frequent causes of project delays. When key materials or equipment arrive late, all dependent activities get pushed back even if the labor is ready. Without the materials, the progress stops. This directly reduces earned value without lowering actual cost because you're still paying for idle labor and overhead. Sometimes this is caused by poor procurement planning, supply chains disruption, or lack of proper follow-up with the vendor. And then we go to the low labor productivity. So this actually refers to the actual work output being lower than planned, maybe due to lack of training, poor supervision, fatigue, or even site condition like heat, mud, or rain. So the consequence is that you burn the budget without achieving the corresponding physical progress. So that's why the project is behind the schedule. And the third is the reason of root cause analysis is the coordination issues between teams. The construction project rely heavily on multiple teams, structural engineering, electrical engineering, plumbing, and architectural working in sync. Poor coordination may result in teams waiting on others to finish, or maybe a conflicting schedule, or have to do a rework due to misaligned scope. So, for example, the structural team may finish a slab, but if the MAP drawings weren't finalized, works get halted. So, the real consequences is the schedule slippage and lost efficiency reflected in low SPI. And the fourth one is the design changes or rework during construction. When this is happen, due to the client request or late design finalization, uh, it forced the construction team to undo and redo the work, making it 2 times uh, longer than usual, and it wastes time and it disrupts the flow of the scheduled activities. And the consequences is not only the progress is delayed, but the morale and efficiency of the workforce is also declined. And the suggestion, as for this uh, slide, it would be better to reschedule the critical path activities. And the second one is optimize the workforce allocation. Three is tighten the procurement and logistic to reduce the miscommunication or misprocurement. And the fourth one is improve the daily site coordination to ensure that the project goes in the proper way and follows the schedule activity. So for the conclusion, the earned value reveals real-time costs and time deviation when the immediate correction can reduce loss. The EVM is The VM can control tool and not just reporting. And the fourth one is apply continuously for better forecasting. Thank you all for listening.